Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos. Signing in. And I am going to share with you a most beautiful and super stunning and very pretty seashells centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very amazing and very unique and very beautiful seashell art and craft right for you guys. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are most demanding and most unique seashell candles and pieces decoration ideas. These are super incredible ideas for your home decor. You must make these type of seashell centerpieces at your homes. If you don't know about how to make these type of seashell centerpieces at home, then I recommended you that you must watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of seashell candle centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very amazing and very stunning and very unique seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are super incredible and very pretty and very stunning seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. Always take care, guys. Always be happy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are most demanding and very stunning and very beautiful ideas for you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz, guys.